We manufacture safety apparel for the electrical workers. We do it for pipeline workers. We get into military business, so we do a lot of different PPE for different industries. What can we do? How does NSA, one, survive and keep as many employees employed as possible? And then for the greater good, what can we do to help the United States get through this?
The next steps were adapting our plant, retooling it, figuring out ways to sew masks, figuring out ways to sew gowns. It's not just sewing them, but making sure that they're sewn correctly and properly, because we have our frontline defenders. We're making their first frontline part of defense for them. We're protecting them from everything else. We're in between them. And then we got to be able to meet the demand on top of it.
We've added this vertical of healthcare PPE, which really wasn't even on our radar. It's really interesting how things have kind of evolved, but the diversification, I think, has really made it easy for us to add this new one. We're used to doing that. That's what we've really done for the last 10 years, is added all this new stuff, so the implementation was fairly easy.
NSA is, in my opinion, the best at being flexible and innovating. And that's really, I think, what the Grossmans have done the best throughout the whole time that I've been working here. They're not afraid of a new challenge, and they hire on a lot of managers and supervisors, key people that have that same mentality on how they approach their jobs. So we look at it and we're like, all right, bring it on, let's see what we can do.
It's a proud feeling to see everybody busy. We've done all the safety precautions we've needed to, and we're doing anything we can to make sure our people are safe and that they feel safe, and then also we can create a product that keeps our bells safe.
It's an honor because we're a very diverse and innovative company to begin with. We're not afraid of a challenge. So for us to be singled out for this award, it's pretty fantastic.
I've been an athlete my whole life, so awards are something you strive for. You always want to be the best that you can. And it's pretty cool being recognized in one of the most difficult times as being with somebody that shined. It's a family-owned business. It's a great place to work for, and we're just going to keep going.
I think that's great, and I love it for the people out there in the shop. I mean, we've had an unbelievable response to this whole thing. Our workforce just coming to work every day. There's an energy out there that's a little different, and I'm just so happy with this kind of award for them because it means the world to them. Whenever we get really positive testimonials or something like this to share out there, it makes everybody feel so good. So we really thank you guys, and really love the whole mission. Love the fact to maintain business here in Cleveland, Ohio, which is just a great place to be. And I really appreciate, everything Manufacturing Works does to support jobs here in the area.